Brake system warning lights are critical safety indicators that require immediate attention. Understanding what each light means can prevent dangerous brake failures and costly repairs. The red brake warning light indicates critical brake system failures requiring immediate action. This light activates for several dangerous conditions that can compromise your vehicle's stopping ability. The amber or yellow ABS warning light indicates the anti-lock braking system is disabled. While normal braking still functions, you lose the safety benefits of ABS during emergency stops. Modern vehicles also feature electronic brake force distribution warning lights. EBD systems ensure proper brake force distribution between wheels, and when this light appears, it often accompanies the ABS warning. Understanding the root causes helps identify the severity of brake issues. Mechanical problems account for 60% of brake warning lights, with low brake fluid being the most common cause at 35%. Electrical issues cause 25% of brake warning lights, including sensor failures and wiring problems. System integration issues account for the remaining 15%, often involving software glitches or calibration problems. Modern vehicles from 2024 and newer feature enhanced diagnostic capabilities with more specific fault codes. These advanced systems provide clearer information about brake problems, making diagnosis more accurate and efficient. When troubleshooting brake warning lights, start with these essential diagnostic steps. First, check if the parking brake is fully disengaged, as this is the most common cause of brake warning lights. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD scanner to retrieve specific fault codes. This tool connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and provides detailed information about brake system malfunctions. Advanced testing includes brake system pressure verification and sensor functionality checks. A pressure gauge helps identify hydraulic system problems, while sensor testing ensures proper communication between components. Once you've identified and fixed the problem, you need to reset the warning lights. There are several standard methods, from simple battery disconnection to advanced dealer-level programming. Understanding your vehicle's ABS system is crucial for proper troubleshooting. This diagram shows the key components that work together to prevent wheel lockup during braking. Here's an important fact. 25% of brake warning lights are false positives caused by system malfunctions rather than actual brake problems. Regular maintenance can prevent most issues. Finally, know when to handle repairs yourself versus when to seek professional help. Basic checks and simple resets are suitable for DIY, but complex diagnostics and safety-critical repairs require professional expertise.